If you're selling physical products on your Shopify store, then you can easily set up your shipping rate on Shopify. And I'm going to show you how to find this and an example how to set this up. So, how do you do that? Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, click settings on the lower left hand side, and you want to go ahead and look for the shipping and delivery. So, once you click on that, you'll have all of this section here where you can set up your shipping rate. So, all you have to do really is just simply go ahead and click on rates for domestic and international right at the top here, and you want to scroll down and you will find rates, right? So the standard rate here is first one is set to free, but you can click on that add rate and you can say flat rate, you can say use carrier or app to calculate the rates. I'm just going to stick with a flat rate for now, leave it as custom, give this rate a name and just call fast, for example, and just set this price to maybe $50. Just an example, right, guys? Just that, and click on done. And so let's say I set up the fast rate, and this is basically if anyone want to have delivery ship really quick to them, that's gonna happen, right? And that's how you can easily go ahead and do it. You can set up more and more and more rates. It's really up to you. But that's a quick example how to do it, and that's how you go ahead and set up your rates. Once you're done, click on save, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.